Hello students, how are you all doing? Adela, how are you? Christina, Genesis, I hope you all are fine. Maria, what about you? I hope you're enjoying your day at home. What about you, Santiago? I hope you all are well. I hope you're doing fine. Manuel, I hope you're reading. I hope you're not just playing at home, right? Alright. This is Teacher Queen, as you can see. It's our agricultural science and it's for those in primary 3. It's been a while. I've missed seeing you all. I've missed talking with you. I've missed chatting face to face with you. But all the same, I'm so excited to be online with you this morning. Okay, we have on our board agricultural science, and our topic today is fruit crops. Fruit crops. Okay? And we are, in our previous class, we talked about crops. And we said that crops are plants grown for food and other uses of man. Crops are plants grown for food and other uses of man. And we said that we have types of crops. We mentioned tuber crops, grain crops, fruit crops, vegetable crops, ornamental crops, and so on. And today, we're going to look at fruit crops. Remember, we've done things under grain crops and tuber crops. What are grain crops? We said that grain crops are crops that produce small seeds. They are plants that produce what? Small seeds. Examples of grain crops: beans, maize, rice, millet, and guinea corn. And we said that also, we've talked about tuber crops. We said that tuber crops are plants that produce their food in their stem or roots. They produce their fruits under. We cannot go and pluck their fruits from up. We can always bring them out from the ground. And their examples are cocoyam, yam, potatoes, cassava, and carrots. Okay? Yeah, they are tuber crops. Today, we're going to look at fruit crops. Fruit crops. And I would like you to pay a close attention to everything that we're going to say. Make sure that your note is around you. Make sure that you have your pen or your pencil to copy your notes. If there is anything that you don't understand during our class, make sure you ask Teacher Queen. Make sure you chat me up. Always beat me on my WhatsApp number. If you don't have my WhatsApp number, make sure you take it from the group chat or you ask for it. Alright, back to our topic today. We say that we have fruit crops. It's written on the board. What are fruit crops? We say that fruit crops are plants that produce edible fruits. Now, this is primary 3. And I know that most of us may be asking, what is edible? Without being told, I know that you must ask that question. And now, edible means something that we can eat. Eatable, something eatable. Consumption. Never reached that level. Okay, I would say something that is eatable, right? Now, on the other hand, we say that fruit crops are plants that produce eatable fruits. Alright? We have 3 fruits and vegetable fruits. We have 3 fruits and vegetable fruits. Now, sometimes in the house, our mother can tell us, we can tell mommy, I want to eat fruits. And mommy asks us, what kind of fruit should I buy for you? You say, buy cucumber for me. Now, when you mention cucumber, cucumber is not just a fruit. Cucumber is a vegetable fruit. That is the reason why when we are classifying fruits, even under vegetables, you can find cucumber. But on the other hand, under fruits, we can also mention cucumber. But they are under vegetable fruits, not under tree fruits. Now we're going to see examples of tree fruits and vegetable fruits, and that will help us to understand, to get the difference between when you are eating carrots and when you're eating mango. Okay, now these are examples of tree fruits. First, before we go over to examples, I think we need to know the tree fruits. We need to know why they are called tree fruits. Because you cannot know example of something without knowing the definition or the meaning of that thing, what that thing stands for, what that thing is all about. So now, we say that tree fruits are fruits that grow on the tree. They are fruits that you can pluck on the tree. Fruits that before you get them, you will either climb the tree or you use something to pluck it from up. Like your mangoes. Okay, that takes us down to the examples of fruit crops. Mango, apple, orange, grape, guava, lemon, pear, berry, and so on. They are examples of tree fruits. Those ones you can get them on the tree. They are plantation crops. They are crops that you plant them and you wait. Sometimes they take 15 years, 10 years before you start getting the fruits. But when you plant vegetable fruits, in 6 months you've started harvesting. The last time we had cucumber at the school, we planted cucumber in the school, at the school backyard, right? And within 3 months, we started harvesting the cucumber. It's a vegetable fruit. But when we are talking about tree fruits, when you plant a tree fruit, you will wait for the tree fruit for like a year or up to 5 to 10 years, okay, before you'll be able to harvest the tree fruits. Okay, let's look at vegetable fruits. We said that earlier we have defined tree fruits. Now we're looking at vegetable fruits. Now the vegetable fruits are the fruits that you plant like your vegetables, and they have their duration, they have the time frame, the time that they grow. They can grow in 6 months and bear fruits. They can grow in 3 months. They can grow according to their lifespan. But tree fruits are very much different. They grow within 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, while vegetable fruits grow within months. Alright, we said that examples of vegetable fruits are, we have carrot, we have cucumber, we have banana, and we have watermelon. Now, from today henceforth, when you see a watermelon, do not say that it is not a fruit. It is fruit, but it is a vegetable fruit. It is not basically pure tree fruit. Sometimes we can even exclude them from fruits, but naturally they are fruits, but not like tree fruits. Alright, let's go down to uses of fruit crops. Uses of fruit crops. We said that the first one, fruit crops are taken as foods. Fruit crops are taken as fruits. They are taken as food. Remember, we said that they are edible fruits, eatable fruits, fruits that we can eat. Now, here we said that they are taken as foods. What do we mean? Sometimes mommy might be cooking, and you say, "Mommy, I'm hungry. I want to eat something. I want to take fruit." And you say, "Okay, go inside the fridge, bring watermelon, or take mango, or take orange," and so on. You can take it and hold yourself at the moment. But it does not mean that you've eaten it, because what we call fruit is appetizer. When you take fruit, it nourishes your body, but that does not mean that you've taken a standard food for the day. Although some people, like when you're watching weight, when you're keeping weight, you can take fruits and you say that you've eaten for the day. But telling ourselves the truth, there are fruits that after taking them, my sister, that's when the hunger, the main hunger will start. Like when you're hungry and you take orange, that's when your body will start shaking. That's when you will need the food more. So we take fruits as what? Foods. Then the second one, fruit crops are used in making wine. Most of us, we've seen our wines. Sometimes when you bring the bottle of wine, you see on the body they drew grape and they write under grape. Some you see berry, they write under berry. Alright? So we use them to make wine. Not just wine, our minerals too. Our juice, we use fruits to make them. Sometimes your mom will tell you, go and buy me Fanta. You say, Mommy, ¿qué clase de Fanta? Say Fanta naranja. I think naranja is orange. We have Fanta lemon, we have Fanta orange, and many of them. Why are they called Fanta orange? It's because it's made with what? Orange. When you buy your fruit, your juice, there is this juice that they call frutas. I think so. When you buy it, you see some, they have grape, they have mango, they have apple, they have different flavors. How? Where are they gotten from? From fruits. Sometimes we can even mix our fruits, grind them, and drink them. They are also what? Juice. And remember, fruits helps your body so much. It gives you the different kind of vitamins that you need. It nourishes your body. It makes you grow well, especially as a child. It makes you grow well. It makes your brain cool, very connected. When you're thinking, you'll not be thinking far. Yeah, fruit is very important. Very, very important to us. Okay, let's look at the last one. Some fruits like lemon, grape, are medicine. Okay, you remember sometimes when you want to lose weight, or sometimes you can see mommy is putting lemon inside warm water and she drinks it. You ask yourself, what is mommy doing? Why is mommy drinking lemon with warm water? She is trying to take care of herself with what? Fruits. Okay, without wasting your time, without taking much of your sweet time, because I know that most of you want to go and play PS, most of you want to go and join your friends and play, but before you go out to play, make sure you read your books. Okay? Alright, we're going to end here for today, and we've come to the end of the class. We will see you next time in our next agricultural class. See you then. Make sure you always tune into our YouTube channel so that you see Teacher Queen. That beautiful Teacher Queen, right? Alright, I love you all. I love you, Santiago. I love you, Genesis. I love you, Maria. I love you, Manuel. Pedro. Teacher Queen loves you. I love you all so much and I miss you. Thank you for learning with me and thank you for paying close attention to everything that we say. Please try as much as possible to make sure you do your homework. Remember our homework. The first one is, what is fruit crops? The second one is, write 5 examples of 3 fruit crops and vegetable fruit crops. The third one is, write 2 uses of fruit crops. See you. I love you all. Please make sure you write them, put them inside your agricultural notebook and submit for marking and recording. Thank you all. Bye.